Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 MJ Holden Barina Spark CD. This vehicle sustained damage to the right-hand front. This shape ran from the 10th month 2010 to the 6th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a B12D1 4-cylinder 1.2 litre petrol 4-cylinder engine, backed by a front-wheel drive 4-speed automatic transmission. We have the left-hand headlight. Left front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 14-inch alloy mag wheels. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand front door, left-hand rear door, factory 14-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light, factory 14-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right-hand power door mirror, factory 14-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth and leather interior. Has a tidy centre console, tidy handbrake lever, factory AC controls, factory single stack CD player, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission, instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.